In this screencast, we're going to be covering the news feature in your website. All of the websites other than the Nix site will actually have a news feed on your homepage, but all of the sites underneath information, news, will have a news page that will list all of the news articles in chronological order, and after 8 it will break it into a second page and so on. So you can find all of your news articles here. If you click on a news article, you can see recent news also on the left hand side here. You can get back to the news page back through the main navigation, or click more news and that'll send you to that main news landing page. So let's create our first news article. You need to log in, and underneath content, add content, click news. Let's give it a title, and let's add a header image. That's optional, you don't have to, but it's always nice to give context to the article with a visual. Give it some alt text and title text, and let's add some sample body copy. Now on the right hand side, we don't have to, and we can't add a menu link because this is automatically just added into that news page and on those news feeds. But what we can change is underneath authoring information, if you'd like to make this article be post dated, previously from this current date and time, because automatically it's just going to add, whenever you create this article, it's going to use your current date and time as a timestamp. But you could manually make this article be older if you'd like. I'm just going to keep this to be our current date and time, and I'm going to click save. Great, now we have our news article with our header image, and if we go back to more news, I can see my news, my brand new news article I created, and the header image is made smaller, so you can still see it in this, what I call a teaser view. And if you click on it, you can go back and make further changes to the copy. So if you wanted to change the text a little bit, format it, maybe give it a heading here, you can. Let's just make a few subtle changes and then click save. Just like any piece of content, it's super easy to go in, edit, make your changes, save, and then preview it. If we wanted to, we can click edit and unpublish this, and then only you as a logged in user with special roles can now view this, but anonymous people that don't have an account to your site can't. It's a nice way to have your content in a limbo state that you can make edits to without having everyone be able to view it. But if again, if you aren't logged in, you won't be able to see it. And I can always go back, click edit, and I can make it publish. But let's clean this up, and I'm going to delete the content. Just like any of this type of content, you're not able to archive deleted content. Once you've deleted it, it's completely deleted from the site. So they want to make sure that you are completely sure that you want to delete this content. So I'm going to say yes, delete, and it's completely removed from the site. So if I go back to that news page, my screencast news has been removed. So that's it for the news feature on your website. Thanks for watching.